Iyabo, kò ní dá fún ẹ. Má fa ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ èpè. Okay? Don't curse your children or yourself.
Ọmọdé ni ẹ wà láì níbi táwa wà. Tó bá ń gbọ́, ó kéré sí nọ́mbà mi.
Mi ò decipher any nonsense tó sọ. Ṣó ti yẹ mi ò ṣẹgbẹ́. Like you said, the only thing mo fi jù ẹ́ lọ ni age, and age is just a number.
Ó kéré sí nọ́mbà mi. Ó kéré sí nọ́mbà mi ìwọ bèbí yìí. Ó kéré sí nọ́mbà mi. Kemi, ó kéré, ó kéré.
How old are you? 44, 45? O ti dó gbogbo governors ní Lagos State. Ṣé Anbode Ati Sanwolu?
Yoruba Parapọ̀ TV. Ẹ máa gbọ́, ẹ máa wò ó. Ẹ subscribe síbẹ̀, ẹ like ẹ.
Ọmọ kò kí n pẹ́ ké. Òun pẹ́ ké, òun dẹ̀ pẹ́ tọrọ owó. Nǹkan méjì yẹn, òun pẹ́ ṣe.
Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí Yoruba Parapọ̀ TV. Tó bá jẹ́ gbà àkọ́kọ́ lẹ́yìn wò wá, ẹ tẹ subscribe button síbẹ̀, ẹ like, kẹ́ comment, kẹ́ dẹ̀ share. Tẹ́yin bá ti jẹ́ olólùfẹ́ wa tẹ́lẹ̀, ẹ share, kẹ́ comment, kẹ́ sì like ẹ. Ẹ jájọ máa gbádùn ètò ń bọ̀. Ẹ má kú ńbẹ̀ o, ẹ wà ńbẹ̀. Yoruba Parapọ̀ TV. Ìṣọ̀kan ọmọ Yorùbá òun náà ló jẹ wá lógún. Bọ́ bá sì ń lọ lórí ètò yìí, àwa ò ní jẹ́ kí tí yín ó di sí o. Yoruba Parapọ̀ TV. Ẹ subscribe síbẹ̀, ẹ like, ẹ comment, ẹ share. Ẹ já máa bẹ́tù ọ̀hún bọ̀.
Kẹ́mkẹ́m, ó kéré obì tí. Ó wẹ́ obì lò. Ó máa ké fún mi. Èmi báyìí mo máa fi yín báyìí. Wá ń bí. Wá fún mi gold bag kan. Èmi máa fi yín jayé. Máa fi orí bẹ́ẹ̀ mi ló fi ta. Mo ṣe rí. Mo jáde fún ẹ̀tọ́ ni. Mi wọ black bonnet fún ẹ tó lọ́rọ̀ ò tí gbà black bonnet. Ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ kò tí gbà black bonnet. Alẹ́ tí ẹ máa pọ̀ gidi gan. Sórí mo ṣe ra wà yìí. Kẹ́mi, ní ọjọ́ tí bá tún jáde fún ẹ, máa yẹ yàkàyàkà, máa ṣe ẹ́ ṣàbàṣàbà. Lọ́jọ́ tí mi yà bọ̀, ọmọ tó máa ń dárúkọ ìyá mi fún yín kí ó jẹ́ lè bá mọ̀ pé mi ràn ìyá yín iṣẹ́. Kò yẹ kí ó tún máa mú gíláàsì wá wọ́gùn sọmọ rẹ̀. Ó ṣe é tó ṣe wọ́n tún fún mi gíláàsì, wọ́n ní ibi sínú gíláàsì kẹ́lẹ́ bá rí. Orí báyìí ọmọ àìní lọ́mọ yìí ó ṣe. Kẹ́mi, orí Facebook ló ti ṣe orí burúkú ẹ̀ mo ṣe wá bẹ́ẹ̀ lórí Facebook. Ọjọ́ tí eléyìí mo kọ̀ wá já ilé tí díẹ̀ ni. Àyè pé mo rán sọ̀rọ̀. Mi ì tí ì dé, mo ń bọ̀ lọ́wọ́ ni. Torí tọmọ mi tó fi sẹ́nu yẹn, mi ò tí ì dé. Èmi mọ̀ pé mo mọ̀ kọ́ tó ń ṣe. Ó mọ̀ pé kọ́sẹ́ mọ̀ pé tẹ bá wá fún mi. Ẹ kéré.
This is Festus Ojo, Festus Olajujoye Ojo, Iyabo Ojo's son and only son. Iyabo Ojo can talk about my own children, calling them worthless to me. Just like Asewo said, like my children are worthless. My children are 38, 34, and 25, and they're watching from somewhere. And you sit on the internet. First, you started your whole campaign in Nigeria when I was there that my children had disowned me, Iyabo. The minute you put your mouth in my children, I will rip your kids.
Kò yẹ, sìtì, ẹbí tí, ẹbí ló. Tẹ́lẹ̀ tí máa ń fi tọmọ mi sí. Wà ní pé kejì ẹ̀yẹ, ó máa ń fún ọmọ mi lórúkọ ni, ó máa ń fún wa lórúkọ kò lè jáde síta kó dárúkọ wa. Wà ní pé torí ẹ̀yẹn, ọ̀rọ̀ wa yẹn dẹ̀ wẹ̀ ìyẹn wà ń kọ́ọ̀tì ní tiẹ̀, àjọ ń pò kọ́ọ̀tì ni. Gbogbo ẹnu tó máa ń dán lórí social media bó bá dé kọ́ọ̀tì nǹkan mi ìlú sọ sọ́rọ̀ wa ti wà ń kọ́ọ̀tì. Ẹ jẹ́ ìfìyẹn lẹ̀ síbẹ̀. Ó dàbí next court case náà, ṣé ọ̀n di etí nǹkan ni? Bọ̀ sórí ìwọ, àló máa sápamọ́ kù ní sẹ́. O ò ní lè, báwo ló fẹ́ jáde síta? Bí tó bá jáde síta máa gbé ẹ wà dẹ̀ evidence kò lóo ní o máa láti kólẹ̀ o dẹ̀ ní ẹnu ló níbi ìtajà-kara kò dẹ̀ jáde kò ké kò dẹ̀ jáde kò dẹ̀ tọrọ owó kò lóo ní PTSD kò ní brain ẹ ti fẹ́ blow kò ní wọ journalist kan o ò ṣe journalist mo tún ti fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ journalist o fẹ́ lórí burúkú ni ẹ kí ló máa ló fẹ́ máa advice èmi ìwọ tó tọ́jú ọmọ tó tọ́jú ara tó tọ́jú ẹbí tó tọ́jú bàbá tó tọ́jú ìyá ìwọ fẹ́ máa advice èmi.
ṣé Anbode kọ́ Ondo àti Sanwolu nígbà tó Ondo Sanwolu tó lọ endorse Peter Obi àti Labour Party ó ní Sanwolu ṣe hit ẹ pẹ̀lú taxes tó jẹ. Tell Nigerians, do you fuck governors or not? Demi kọ́ ló mama bàjá. You don't step on the toes of an investigative journalist. Mo ti retire, but your life is in my hands. Surely don't keep pé ìwọ kọ́ ló send lọ sí prison yẹn. Èmi ò mẹ́tò sọ fẹ́ pé ìwọ ló send mi lọ sí prison. Don't try to cover stuff up. You and I know that. You didn't send me to prison. Kennedy Okoko and Ibiomi arrested me and Ibiomi's lawyers. They are the ones that sent me to prison. So ma twist ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn because ibi tọ́rọ̀ yẹn wà ni ma fi láyé àwọn tó ń wo video. You kept me in prison. Iyabo, mo ti ṣe documentary upon documentary. Did you collect up to 10 million from Kennedy Okoko? Yes or no? Just answer the question. Did you see the article about Charlie Boy, Deji Adeyanju, Sahara Reporters, Premium Times? Did you see all the articles asking why I was still in the prison after I've been given bail? Kennedy wanted to keep me in the prison longer. He told me he confessed. He even tried to assassinate me 3 times. He begged me for forgiveness. Ìwọ wá dúró ń sọ. Ṣé kò fún ẹ lówó? Ìtọ́ ẹ kò gbẹ́nu ẹ dákẹ́ Iyabo. Instead, o lọ ń post nígbà tí mo bad. September 2023, I will send you back to prison. Ìyẹn ló bí ọlọ́pàá yẹn nu. Ọmọ ọlọ́pàá tó máa ń wọ dark glasses tó máa ń tẹ̀lé Kennedy kiri. Òun ló ń wáyà owó sí ẹ, ó ti pè mí. Òun ló ń wáyà owó sí ẹ, you got up to 10 million in my head. Wá rò pé máa fi ẹ lẹ̀. I will never leave you forever. Iyabo, did you not beg me in September 2019 that you are sorry about what Gbemini Adebola, your PA, did, sending me a fake letter? And on this video, I will tell everybody who wrote that letter. Because according to Lizzie Anjorin and Gbemini Adebola's sibling, wọ́n ní Tóyìn Abraham ló kọ letter to gbé mi lọ sí prison. Tóyìn, ṣé mo confront her about that letter? Òun bá Mercy Aigbe jà. Mercy Aigbe kígbe ní 2017 pé Tóyìn, ìwọ ló dalé mi rú. Òun bá everybody jà ní industry Tóyìn. Ṣé ìwọ ló kọ letter yẹn ṣe bí mo bí ẹ Tóyìn? This is stuff I saved for my book, but I'm saying it for everybody now. Mo kàn wò wá tí Iyabo ní Tóyìn. 10 Gallivants kiri, wedding this, wedding that, Auntie Sabi, Auntie Shele. If Iyabo really knew who you were. Yomi Fabiyi was also in the meeting. We had a meeting. Dolapo Badmos, Esabod was on the meeting, and I'm the only one that has the audio of that meeting, and I will post it. I was going to put it on my audio book. I will post all this stuff, because nobody knows tomorrow. A meeting about finishing your fight, Tóyìn, with Lizzie. Èmi ni mo parí ìjà yẹn láàrin yín. Ṣé bí mo bẹ sọ̀rọ̀ mo pè ní 2019. Dolapo Badmos ọlọ́pàá. Nígbà tí wọ́n fún Lizzie ní threats pé wọ́n máa pa òun àtọmọ ẹ̀. I got involved. Yomi was in the call. It was a WhatsApp call with almost 7 people. And I asked a question before the call started. I'm recording. I'm a journalist. Is everybody okay with that? Everybody said they were okay. Oh, I know I feel me now. The fact that when you collect her, let it destroy Iyabo. Okay? You need to know that now. But we're going to drop that. Now we're going to Jore. This is Nollywood for you. And you let buy me jet. And you let take down HN in Africa. I had a world news platform that was $5 million worth. Somebody wrote on my page today, what happened to HN in Africa? We missed it too, and it was big. And you let die me jet. So come on, Beno, shit, okay, Iyabo, come say, I want me, told me. I have a child who's autistic, my oldest. My second child has been missing for close to 22 years. He left his father's house because of a fight over there with his stepmother. I don't know where my second child is. Kayode, my third child, is struggling in America, and he wrote about his struggles and how he blamed my mom and dad, his grandparents. Why Ben Oshie okay? You go to Shashe Womali, Iyabo Ojo. Why Ben is okay? On so far, I want me to touch me. She want more dynamics. I want me. She will collect some mommy come. So Nico I go away. So blast it, brother. My son took you down in one single tweet. Oh, I did buy our money, but going shape and boom me and threaten me and post phone number me and post address me online. Why did Tom at going adame? Yet you could anyway. But I ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀tàn, ìyá ọ̀rọ̀ money jókòó, ó ń ṣépè fún gbogbo àwọn tó wà responsible fún ikú ọmọ òun. Láì mọ̀ pé ó ń ṣépè fún rẹ̀. Má ṣépè fún rẹ̀ o. Ìyá bàbá gbé rẹ̀ ṣépè o, because gbogbo nǹkan tó ń sọ, ó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ẹ. Ọmọ Priscilla, ó sì máa bí ọmọ tó wà autistic. Ẹ̀sàbọ̀dọ̀ wá débẹ̀, ó ń ṣe third party fight. Ìwọ̀n yẹn wá jẹ́ Israel, Iran àti Yemen àbí. Ẹ̀ ń ṣe third party fight. Àbí Mercy, Regina àti Angela. We won't get into that. Face me, and I'm glad you did the video today to face me. Don't use Esabod because I will expose and I destroy all of you. So far, I'm fine. Iyabo, we don't share video kiri. Igbe Baba Olunloyo pay me su. Oh, father, mommy. Tell them that was all Esabod stuff in 2016. She has already apologized. Okay, and I've already told my story. But come and see your loju. Mo ti sọ story me. My father did not have sex with me. My father twisted the whole story so I don't expose the fact that I was sexually abused by over 20 men, molested in the middle of a riot that claimed my brother's brain. And your mind, the worth of anything. And do go governors and do go politicians and she businesses or shikiri, but going in my expose. Me o hide ni bi Nigeria, me o sing Ghana, me o sing Canada, me o sing America, me o the UK. Ikokonu yo le mo bi ti mo wa. 3 years mo ti kúrò Nigeria. Mo ní mo kúrò Nigeria New Year's Day, right? 2023. December 2022 mo kúrò Nigeria. So listen up, Iyabo. Tell all your third-party fighters to stop. Because if they stop, then I will stop. But everything to stop mo wish lo ma ṣẹlẹ̀ sáwọn ọmọ mi. Ọmọ mi continue autism already, but o ma bí ọmọ tó wà autistic. Priscilla ti Festus ma bí ọmọ tó wà autistic. So ẹ mọ nǹkan tí mo go through. Parents of autistic children, Nigerian parents, like this American ones, many of them have contacted me. It's not something you play with. You why don't hire to come back and let my sorrow on your behalf. Your life is not perfect. Okay? Do you know about my parents? Do you know what kind of people they are? Do you know what they did to me? The hashtag is there. Kemi Talks Live. Receipts everywhere. Once BURUKU our parents parents here. And don't ever lie, Iyabo. Olori BURUKU ni Bumi fetuga yeah. Mama dada ni mama yen. Àwọn èèyàn ló sacrifice ẹ. Gba tí gbogbo Nigerian papers ti wá gbé tán sìn, ó wá dísà láti ṣe video. Ntoro mọ̀ pé wọ́n máa fi ẹ́ ṣe content. Meanwhile, ìwọ rò pé mi fi wọ́n ṣe content. Kí là ń ṣe lórí social media? Without social media, kí ni content? Ibo la ti ń jẹun. Without social media, ibo lo ti ń jẹun. How do you eat without social media? If there was no social media, why are you not screwing and having sex with people? You are doing porn movies in Republic of Benin, Kutonu, to get into Nollywood. 5 movies lower into. Don't do any movie. Or what turn into? They raped me 5 times. The same thing my father did. He twisted my own sexual assault at the riots and changed it to Kemi always accuses me of sexually abusing her. Or what check when you're being the internet, talking about not share video, babe, fuloyo, be more impregnate, Google lies. Oh, my talking apologize to me on live video. QT Juice, but when she knock her father. Wake up, Iyabo Ojo. If I finish you, don't turn me into Lizio, because I will destroy you. I will destroy your children. Okay? If you want to enter my children, I will destroy you. Let's go mi lọ tán. Ẹ fẹ́ bá Kemi Talks jẹ́ bẹ́ ṣe bá in Africa jẹ́. Èmi wá pè é. Ṣé mo ní anything láti ṣe pẹ̀lú Iyabo láti 2019 to 2022? I didn't talk to you. You are never my friend. Kéèsì bí omi ló cost gbogbo ẹ̀. At the end of the day, mo bí ẹ fún 100k owó oúnjẹ. No video you called it drugs. Which drugs? I wasn't on any medicine. Okay, the only thing I take is an inhaler for my asthma. I needed money for food because I had no money. It destroyed business me. She's surrounded by to vindicate me with your money case. Did I not tweet this in 2022? And your man, Bobo.
Ìkànnì tí a wà yìí náà ni Yorùbá Parapọ̀ TV. Kí ọmọ Yorùbá lè ṣọ̀kan, òun náà lèròǹgbà tiwa. Àti pẹ̀lú pé kí lè ìjà kó má wà láàrin ẹbí, lọ́kọláya àti orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà. Ká lè wà ní ìṣọ̀kan, òun náà níṣẹ́ tiwa. Kò wá ní jù báyìí lọ tárí labalábé tá a wà yìí. A ó tún pàdé lọ́jọ́ míì ọjọ́ rí lórí ìkànnì yìí. Ìyẹn Yorùbá Parapọ̀ TV ẹ má kú òǹbẹ o. Torí pé bó bá ṣe ń lọ, àwa ò ní jẹ́ kí tiyín ó di sí o. Búburú kan ò ní ṣe yín, búburú kan ò ní ṣe wá. Ire o, ire kàbìtì.
Àtirẹ̀tirẹ̀ o, ọmọ aláṣẹ dìde. Àtirẹ̀tirẹ̀ o, ọmọ aláṣẹ dìde. Wá bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ ìjìnlẹ̀, ká lè mọ bí ayé ń kọrí sí. Wá bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ ìjìnlẹ̀, ká lè mọ ìgbésẹ̀ tó yẹ ká gbé. Ọmọ aláṣẹ. Àtirẹ̀tirẹ̀.